If you're considering Varo Bank for your financial needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. While it stands out in the mobile banking world, it's important to compare it to other options to ensure it's the right fit for you. First, Varo Bank is a fully online bank, meaning there are no physical branches. This can be an advantage for those who prefer the convenience of digital banking, but it may not suit everyone, especially if you prefer in-person support or services. Next, Varo offers a variety of accounts, including a checking account with no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and no overdraft fees. Compared to traditional banks, these features make Varo appealing for those looking to avoid hidden costs. However, many online-only competitors, like Chime and SoFi, also offer similar benefits. The third thing to note is that Varo provides early direct deposit, which can get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier. While not a unique feature, it is a nice perk, especially when compared to other mobile banking apps that may not offer this service or require you to meet specific conditions. Next, Varo offers a high-yield savings account with an annual percentage yield of up to 5% on qualifying balances, which is higher than many traditional banks. However, this rate is not guaranteed across all balances, so check the terms carefully before committing. It's a competitive rate, but there are other savings apps and banks that may offer better rates for higher balances. The fifth thing is that Varo doesn't charge ATM fees at over 55,000 ATMs nationwide. But unlike some competitors, they don't offer refunds for fees charged by ATMs outside of their network, so you'll want to be mindful of where you withdraw money to avoid fees. Another key point is Varo's mobile app, which is highly rated for user experience. It's intuitive, with features like instant transaction notifications, budgeting tools, and goal-setting options. While apps from other banks like Chime and Ally also offer solid mobile experiences, Varo stands out with its clean interface. Next, Varo also includes features for credit building, allowing users to track their credit score directly in the app and take steps to improve it. If building credit is a priority for you, Varo's integration of this service may make it more appealing than alternatives that don't offer this. The eighth thing is that Varo offers a cash advance option, allowing users to borrow up to $100 with no interest or fees. However, this service is available only to users with qualifying direct deposits, so it may not be available to everyone. When it comes to customer service, Varo offers 24/7 support via phone, chat, and email. While this is great for an online bank, some users have reported slower response times compared to traditional banks. It's important to consider this when deciding whether Varo will meet your needs for support. Next, Varo's security features include two-factor authentication and FDIC insurance for up to $250,000, which adds an extra layer of safety for your funds. These are standard features in mobile banking apps, but Varo does well to highlight its security measures to users. The 11th thing is Varo's limited product offering compared to traditional banks. While it provides checking, savings, and some credit building options, it doesn't offer things like mortgages, auto loans, or investment accounts. If you need a full suite of financial services, Varo might not be the best choice for you. The last thing to consider is Varo's recent changes to its account offerings, including new conditions to earn high interest rates and changes to the savings program. As with any financial service, it's important to keep an eye on these changes to ensure it still fits your needs. Overall, Varo Bank is a solid choice for those looking for an online bank with no fees, early direct deposit, and a high-yield savings account. But if you're looking for a better option with more features, we recommend checking out our solution that you can try for free. It might offer everything you need, plus a few extra perks.